In this video, let's unbox Realme 11 mobile and see what are the contents that we get inside the box. I ordered this mobile in online to check whether it is a good mobile or not to buy under 20,000 rupees. Check the related links and pricing of this mobile in the description box for more details. Right after opening the box, we get a small box, below that a Realme 11 mobile, and below that a charger and a cable are there. This is a good thing that it comes with a fast charger. In this small box, there is a transparent case available, followed by instruction manual and SIM ejector pin. Coming to the charger, it's an 80 watts charger. But this mobile is supported only for 67 watts. Next, the cable type is Type A to Type C. This mobile comes with a 5000 mAh battery capacity. Now, let's look into the physical overview of this mobile. This is a glory gold color, they are calling it. It's very light in weight in hand. You can observe the details of the mobiles here like RAM, internal storage, processor, etc. Previously, I uploaded a review of Realme 11X mobile. Both are looking identical, but this Realme 11 is a little increased in size in terms of screen. Also, this mobile comes with a pre-applied screen protector out of the box. Now, let's have a look at the physical overview of this mobile. On the type, mic is there. On the right side, volume buttons and power on or off come fingerprint button is there. There is no under display fingerprint option is there in this mobile. On the bottom, a 3.5 headphone jack slot, secondary mic, Type C slot and a speaker grill is there. On the left side, the SIM slot is available. Let's check whether it is a hybrid slot or not. This is a 2+1 slot. That means you can use 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card at a time. I quickly set up this mobile and see how it looks after it is done. If you haven't used the Realme UI before, you feel new to the software usage experience. I already used the Realme UI while testing the Realme 11X mobile. I used this mobile for some hours and the initial impressions are positive. The fingerprint sensor is working super fast, the display is so smooth. In future, I post related videos about this Realme 11 mobile like battery test, gaming test, camera test and more. If in case you are watching this video a little late, then there might be a chance that I uploaded all those videos. Check the description box for the links. That's the unboxing and initial impressions of Realme 11 mobile. Comment below what if they didn't provide the charger in the box.